Hey, what's up? Valorant just announced where the next tournament is going to be, the next LAN to be held, and I thought it was pretty interesting, so I was just going to make a video about it and just kind of talk about it briefly. So this is going to be the video that they uploaded to their YouTube right here in the background. It's just kind of like a hype video that they make sometimes for this. I think Valorant does a good job at announcing these things. When they announced it, Iceland, I believe they had a video like this as well, but yeah, just kind of going through all the plays within the most recent tournament. I'm not sure if this is called Challengers or Masters or whatever. I think Masters is over after Iceland or whatever, but I think that this one's Challenge. I'm very confused with all of the names, so maybe somebody can help me out with that. But for the most part, this tournament is going to be held in Berlin, it seems like, which is really exciting that they're already ahead of the game on everything. Like, they already have the tournament announcement before even the Iceland tournament takes place. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm excited for it. I guess if you wanted to plan your trip to be at Berlin, that would be pretty cool. I don't really have much else to say. I'd love to go to one of these events eventually. I'd have to kind of save up the money for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, be sure also let me know. And yeah. Also, if you guys are interested in the course I've been starting to help you improve the game, we have that available on the Patreon down below, so you can check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video.